all the tech that blew me away at CES.
So hyped because one of my favorite things is smart home tech. And behind me is Dreo. Now I've partnered with them to showcase some of their new things that they have here for CES 2026. And right now I'm being misted by one of them. It's so awesome. So this is their line of turbo cool.
And it's just like, damn. I really got this new device to use.
Misting fans. Now, one of the things that's amazing about this is how powerful it is. Like, it's actually blowing me away right now. The other thing that's awesome is the technology that they're using is a mist, but it's not actually, like, look at this. Like, it's not making my phone wet.
Okay.
It's magic. They're calling it the Magic Mist. I also like that they have so many different versions. There's even like a small little desktop one. They have this technology called motion sync. Now, normally when you have a fan like this, you kind of like push a button, it'll rotate, and then you have to like stop it. So we're gonna hold in the motion sync button right here. And now it's going wherever I point it.
Oh, cool. Nice rotor.
Pretty cool.
Rotor.
Actually cool. All puns intended. Something else that's really cool that these fans have is millimeter wave technology. So it's able to track you as a person wherever you're moving in the room to make sure you're the most comfortable. So if you get closer to the fan, it'll turn the air down, and if you get further away, it'll turn it up so that the air can reach you. So right here's the button that you can press, and that'll let it identify you and be able to track you. They have so much stuff at the booth. We've got air conditioners, we've got air purifiers, and since we're in Vegas, this is the key item right here, a humidifier. It's crazy because I actually have one of these humidifiers, and I brought it with me to CES, so I have it in my hotel room. The one that I have isn't this model, but look how awesome this is. One of the cool things that I love about it is it'll do a warm mist and also a cool mist, so depending upon your environment. I've been putting on the warm mist just because I like it when I'm sleeping. And the other thing that I love so much about all of the Dreo products is it all is connected on an app. Every product that they have can be updated over the air. So you may get one of these products now, and within a year or 2 years, it can be completely new and have all kinds of awesome new features built into it. The other fun little touch that I love that they have in their products is they also have RGB IC lighting. And this is amazing because not only is it fun and ambient, but it can actually be used, especially for these air purifiers, to be able to tell the air quality. And also, it looks really cool too. The other fun thing is all of these lights, of course, can be adjusted and changed inside of the app. So with their next gen brushless DC motor, these purifiers are so quiet. Like I'm basically inside of it and I don't hear anything.
Nice.
All I hear is clean air. So now it's time to make some lattes. So the first thing that we need to do is we're gonna select our milk. Look at all these options. You can have hot thick foam, cold thick foam, hot cappuccino, hot latte, hot flat white. We're gonna go for the hot cappuccino. We're gonna select our milk. Look at all these options. You can have hot thick foam, cold thick foam, hot cappuccino, hot latte, hot flat white. We're gonna go for the hot latte. Now inside of here, there's like a little line that tells you where to fill it. So we're gonna be filling it at the latte art line. Milk is in.
Frothing.
Get 4 iPhone 17s on us and 4 lines for just $25 a line.
Frothing.
Enjoy my time and enjoy my time I will. All right, time to try latte art for the first time. I mean, let's do it. Wow, this looks so nice. I just always see them doing this at the cafes. Like, look how nice that looks. I am an artist. I tried my best. Now, the thing that I love about this is you have the option to change the different types of foam. I've used many. The thing I love about this is you have. I am an artist.
Because it's the sand. This is the sand background, and the sandstorm. It's probably gonna be like the same shade as this, maybe a little bit darker, but it has to stand out because you need to see the sandstorm. So it's probably looking like this.
Tried my best. Now the thing that I love about this is you have the option to change the different types of foam. I've used many frothers before where it basically just makes this like big chunky cloud that just plops it right into your drink. This gives you the ability to actually make that really creamy, nice foam for latte art if you know how to make it. I don't, but I can work on it.
It's good.
It smells so good.
So if you've ever wondered how Dreo AIoT works in a smart kitchen, you can type what you want, speak naturally, or even upload a photo of your food, and their AI turns text, voice, and visuals into
into instant, context-aware cooking guidance.
So I'm with Chef Kaz. We've got a little robot back
This is
here.
cool,
This is the
this,
chef maker that
Drea.
might be taking your job.
So it's a temperature controlled, similar to an air fryer, but a little bit more of a modern take.
And we're taking it over to the chef
Whoa,
maker.
it's got a good, that's got some
modern take.
good handle weight capacity, some good weight capacity right there. It's like really large and she
Taking it over
up
to the
pretty
chef
nicely.
maker. This is so nice. Wow.
Super simple, super easy to use. So you're just gonna follow the prompts on the screen. I'm gonna go with chef mode here.
Okay.
And you're gonna press the play button on that guy. And then we're doing a beef ribeye. So you're gonna scroll down to the ribeye. I got all these different options. I like that it's got jerky.
Wow, there's so many options. Okay. All right, here we go. Classic flavor. So this also has like a water tank in it too, which is different than what you would ever see in anything else like this that I've seen.
So it essentially helps keep the environment moist. So if you're using a traditional air fryer, it's just gonna be a dry environment, which is
Okay.
only gonna cook one way. But when you add the steam component, it actually helps it cook a little bit quicker, and you can still get that high temp sear at the end to get the crispy. Magically, we're done already.
Oh, that looks so good. All right, I'll take it over here to the magic carving station. This looks delicious. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this even has potatoes in there.
I put some potatoes in there that basically cook. And what you could even do is throw this back in for a few more minutes and crisp them up on top of everything.
Wow. That's perfect. That's just how I like it. Do I get to try it?
All yours.
Oh, wow. That's really good.
I take a little bit of credit. Made by the chef maker and Chef Kaz.
It's amazing. It's so good. Wow. I gotta get one of these.
Gotta get
This
one
is
of
so
these.
fancy. Now we're gonna head into the AI sensory lab. Now what Dreo has done is
Dreo!
they've made it so that it basically
I'll
can
play.
predict your needs
Dreo!
before you actually set any of the settings. So it'll automatically be able to adjust everything to your liking. Now inside the sensory lab, they have it so it's gonna be transporting you to a destination. So it's basically gonna be able to hit all of your senses. The Dreo booth had so much to offer for smart homes, and let me tell you, my senses have been officially ignited. Sustainability at CES is something that I always love checking out. All of the new tech helping us make the world a better place. So I'm here at Flint, and you guys are working on something really cool. I've been seeing people talk about this ever since the show started.
We're building a new battery technology that's completely safe and sustainable. So it's something the world really needs at this point because we're moving and becoming more greener, but the batteries we're using is not green themselves. And what we design is from the materials perspective itself. So we build the battery from the ground up and try to do something with lower impact, lower carbon.
Okay.
How long does the battery last? Is it
Yeah, how
longer
long
or
does it
shorter than a regular
last?
lithium?
We start with two main aspects. Number one is we want the battery to be at least the same as what's in the market in terms of performance. And at the same time, number two, we want it to be cost efficient, which means we don't want to charge a green premium for batteries that are sustainable. We want to be competitive with what's in the market. So we have achieved those two with the first two products we're launching here at CES.
That's amazing.
And we can't wait to see what people bring this to.
It's so cool. Can we get a little booth tour here?
Sure.
So are these some of the batteries that you guys make?
Yeah, so we have four options actually, AAA, AA, C cell, and D cells. And the best thing about it is that they actually have the same performance and the same cost as what's in the market. So we are able to really be a drop-in replacement. And we really focus on cellulose as the key component of our batteries, which makes it sustainable and safe because you can actually source these materials anywhere from the world, from plants.
Now, is this something that's out now that we could buy, or it's coming soon?
It is in production and it is available
Okay.
for the market, and we will be moving to the consumer market later this year.
Okay, so you're telling me that this is a battery.
Exactly. It's flexible, it's super thin, and it can be used for so many different kinds of applications.
Okay, this is cool. This is
What
like
kind
a
of
little.
applications do you see this being put into?
Well,
Like a
let's
little,
start with the
like,
first one,
patch
which is
to stop
from Nimble.
smoking.
This is
Little
actually an
nicotine.
Apple certified company that does third-party accessories, and they're now using our batteries into
Okay.
products
The bag
like
looks
these.
lightweight.
Well, you know, when you travel, you can't carry lithium batteries in planes that are not certified,
Okay.
right? So we can have batteries like these in products like your passport cover, your luggage tags,
Okay.
and your wallets that are Find My compatible and can be using sustainable batteries.
I love these so much. Are these available now?
Oh, these are like
Nope,
cases?
they're coming out in
You can
June
just,
this
like,
year,
stick on
and
them?
you'll find it in the Apple stores.
Oh my gosh. Okay, well, I'm so ready. I'll be at the Apple store picking these up. Is there anything else we should check out?
Yeah,
So this is really cool. So this is showing the
From battery to
week by
soil.
week
Oh, this is
how it
modded Minecraft
decomposes.
right here.
correct. Yes. So the materials that goes into our battery are compostable and biodegradable, which means we do not do anything that's harmful for the environment.
Okay.
And this battery comes from nature, goes back to nature.
So you can see here we have week 1, week 2, week 3, and week 4. So I
Okay.
was reading on this little board here that you can also now recycle all the metal pieces.
Yes. So we can recycle and process it for maybe making new batteries. One very cool thing that we're working on is to make these batteries actually act as fertilizers for plants. So once you're done using the battery, all you have to do is just like toss it into your plants and it will compost into fertilizers.
This is amazing. I cannot wait until the future where these batteries are going to be in everything that I own. So thank you so much. I can't wait to check this out. So nice meeting you. Now, when I asked some of my followers what booth I should check out at CES, I was told I have
CES
to go
All
to
Access.
X-Tool. So I'm here with Stein
Ooh.
from X-Tool. This booth is massive.
X-Tool
Thank you,
Squad.
first of all, Justin, for having us. So yeah, we're at the X2 booth. This,
crazy.
what you're looking at is a carding. And this is done by one of our metal
Oh,
fab
standing up.
machines
Oh,
and
that's
cut well into one piece. So this is what we're trying to tell the public, that you can use a very accessible tool out of a garage and build something like this.
So you guys might be wondering, so what exactly is X-Tool? Well, we're about to show you because this booth has so many incredible things. So what's the first thing we should go check out?
So let's go to the metal fab first.
Okay. Whoa. Okay. So wait. This is that looks heavy. Whoa. Okay. This is amazing.
It's real. I mean, it's so much layers.
Yeah.
And we cut from this machine. This machine is a 1200 watts of fiber laser. It cuts, it welds, engraves, and also does rust removal as well. So it's a 4-in-1.
Can we take a closer look at
Yes, let's do it.
it? Okay. I just wrote my name and we're gonna cut my name out. Time to cut. Okay. Here we go. So it's basically using a laser to cut through this metal.
Okay.
Oh my goodness.
It's a little bit warm, but it's good.
Look at
Oh,
this.
cool. That's cool. It
Now
looks
we're about
nice.
to go into the welding room. So can you
Metal
walk me
fab
through what
workshop.
we're gonna do, what equipment I need? Because I've actually never welded before.
My name is Monim. I'm the technical support engineer
At
for
X-Tool.
X-Tool. So for laser welding, it's different from traditional welding in that it's a lot easier. The gun will move backwards by itself when we do the weld, so you don't have to worry about doing a whip or any sort of movement with the gun itself. The equipment that you need, laser goggles, of course, the mask, and gloves.
That's it?
That's it.
Okay, all right. And I guess
And
maybe
the
walk me
mask
through
is
kind of the
kinda-
technology of laser welding, because I've actually
Oh,
never
I
heard of
guess
that before.
it's
So
welding,
how
it's
does that all
laser
work
welding.
and what's the
Don't
tech
want
behind
any
it?
stuff
Gotcha.
like
The tech behind our
Instead
laser,
of-
it's a 1200 watt fiber
Must be
laser. So basically the
less,
fiber optic cable is doped with certain
dangerous.
elements,
Yes.
and that produces that fiber laser that we use to then melt a steel core wire, aluminum wire, or brass wire onto the material. And that contraction and the melting of the material produces that bond that results in a weld.
So my new hobbies include welding. All right, let's go. Bye. At first, I thought like we just have like this little like laser gun, but it's actually attached to things. So what is that actually attached to?
So it's attached to argon for shielding, of course. You know, you don't want your weld to oxidize. And so that machine is connected to the laser welder itself and the wire feeder as well.
That's amazing. I mean, that's gonna basically change the industry.
Yeah, it will. It definitely will.
Okay. Welding. Nice.
You guys announced here at CES that you're going to be coming out with a UV printer.
Painting
Correct.
Look at this. It's behind the glass so no one can touch. Protected.
Last time I
Coming
painted,
soon.
it was
And
art
I'm
class.
holding one projector printed by our
And,
UV printer.
was-
This one
I
can
was
print
in
on any
maybe
hard
middle
surface.
school.
It's coming up in Q2. But you can see, and what I can see is this project,
looks nice, though,
also
this,
this
art.
3D printed was
TNT?
also printed by
Minecraft
this UV
TNT,
printer.
cool.
And all
Looks
these
good, though, with
ornaments
the
here
graphics
was
on
printed
there.
by this one.
What's this
Look at
for?
all of these things.
So look at the result, look at the performance. You will
Is it
see
coasters?
this is a
Ooh.
very nice UV printer.
Now, I've used UV printers before, and I'm such a huge fan. Like, it's so much fun. I don't think people realize, like, the things that you can do. And I love that you're able to print on literally anything. I mean, look at this. Well, thank you so much. I had the best time.
Oh, I love your apron.
Oh my gosh, yes! Wow!
Yeah.
Here we go, here we go, here we go.
That's how we do it. Hi, everybody. I'm Chef Marcel Vigneron, and this is
Brian Baltaccio.
And today we got a special treat for you for Battle in the Booth here in the Bosch Kitchen. We've got Brian, we've got Justine.
Let's
We're gonna
go,
pair off
let's go.
into some teams. We've got Team Brian squared versus Team Justine and I. Check out our secret ingredient here.
So we're at the Bosch Kitchen. So there's a lot of technology happening inside of here, not just food.
There is, that's absolutely right. Right here we have the two different 800 series This is the mat. I know Matt is very in right now. This is the glossy. Chef Brian's going to be working on the mat. Let's get some gloves on.
Okay.
We also have AI ovens over here as well. AI barista. So
AI
these are
barista.
devices at home, appliances. So we're gonna have fun here and really experience this in the Bosch kitchen.
Eggs are like the only thing I can cook.
Cool. I love that. These eggs are actually cooked already. They're 6-minute eggs, so they should be yolky in the middle.
Okay.
See if you can peel these. You can do a little bowl of water and just try to peel off the shell.
All right.
If you want to do fancy,
Yeah.
we like lean towards like surf and turf or something like that.
Goodness.
I'm now peeling an egg.
So let's make like a marinade.
Okay.
There's some shrimp in there. We can like.
I like how you're thinking.
To leave the tech to me, the cooking to the chefs.
Okay, fish sauce wise, not too just a good amount, like
A fair amount.
I hope I don't mess this up. I know that there's one of us that has not been on a reality cooking show, and I think it's Brian.
Shots fired! Shots fired! I thought we were friends, but not anymore. Not anymore.
I have never been more nervous about something in my entire life.
The egg, we're going to bread that, then we're going to deep fry it. We'll do the ribeye, medium, like your AC aioli. Woo! Excuse me. Oh, excuse me. Oh, excuse me. Excellent job, chef. Excellent
There we
job.
go, there we go. Thank you,
There you
chef.
go, right on there. Take this and some of this.
Okay.
And some of this. And some of this. And we're going to go ahead and make a aioli.
See how it's drawing the.
Oh, it's sucking in the vapor?
Oh yeah, right.
Oh, that's
yeah,
a cool
right into that.
feature.
Yeah, it's very cool.
So with
it
this
actually
so-
automatically came on.
Oh wow, this is look at
Whoa!
built in here.
Look at this. Beautiful.
Technology is actually improving the way that we cook. It's making it more precise. It's making it easier for us to batch cookery, to do things more consistent in the kitchen.
The new Bosch Cook AI actually has incredible capabilities where you're going to be able to take a picture of your food and it'll give you step-by-step instructions and also calibrate the equipment according to what you want to make. So if you want a steak medium, it's going to tell you time, temperature, how to do it. It's also going to communicate with the equipment. So it's pretty
amazing.
revolutionary stuff.
Oh, so good.
You must have excellent taste. Okay. Casual, just steak and eggs cooked like a Bosch. Well, let's get some judges.
Oh, actual judges. Who wants to judge?
There's so much going on here.
My personal preference is going with this one.
Oh, it was so close. Yo, you know what? That was amazing. Marcel, Brian, thank you so much. Brian, thanks for this is great.
Cooking like a Bosch on the CES show floor.
Ryan Miller
was cool.
invests
Little
the way
cook-off.
he wants to invest. Ryan
Little
sets his
cook-off.
investments to
So I'm now at the Hypershell booth, and I'm joined with Toby. Now, what do you guys have going on here?
We are Hypershell, the world's first outdoor exoskeleton. So exoskeleton technology, it's typically known as like medical, industrial, or occupational exoskeletons, and we think this is really compelling tech, and we want to bring it to everybody, to the masses. So we made the world's first outdoor recreational consumer-grade exoskeleton.
So, I mean, what exactly does it do? I mean, I see people running up these steps like
Yeah.
quite quickly. So, how is this going to help you with hiking? Like, what's the whole deal?
Yeah, so it goes around the waist. It's got a battery in the back. It's got a motor on each hip, and it gives your legs, your thighs a boost. So it's a hip exoskeleton, and it helps with the lifting motion at the hip flexor. We're the first exoskeleton to be tested by SGS, and they verified our specs. It gives you a 20% reduction in oxygen consumption, 20% reduction in heart rate, and it allows you to walk further.
Now, are you gearing this towards more consumers or companies or just, everyday outdoor people that like to be active?
Good question. So everybody could benefit from a Hypershell. So athletes, everyday people, aging and elderly, really everybody can benefit.
The most important question is, can I try it?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay,
Yeah, let's do
yes, that's the right answer.
Yeah.
Okay, let's try it out.
Okay, I'm going to ask you to grab the belts and clip in the front. Nice.
I mean, this is the perfect accessory for my suit.
I'll give you power now.
Okay.
So just walk normally.
I just walk.
Walk normally. It recognizes patterns, so don't do baby steps. Just walk
just
normally.
walk.
Okay. Let's walk around. Just have a little stroll.
Oh, it's picking up my leg. It's picking it up. Okay, that was so surprising. Like I'm moving my legs, but it's moving them.
So now I'll give you what we call hyper mode, which is our max power.
Okay.
So here on the side,
Hyper
long
mode.
press.
Oh, it's gonna push her spine, I guess.
And now you're in max power.
That wasn't max power before?
Nope.
No way.
So Take it easy, yeah?
Okay. Like I'm barely moving my legs. I'm not moving my own legs. This makes me so excited because with technology like this, I might actually be able to do CES when I'm 100 years old. I can't wait.
So Jesse and I are on the show floor all the time. We need something to bring our sustenance back, and we like icy treats.
Oh yeah, no, we just found something that makes frozen carbonated beverages. And we're joined with Andrew, the CEO, the founder, the inventor. What have we got here?
What we've got is a frozen fizzy or carbonated slushie machine for the home market.
Yes.
So, in the 70-year history of this drink, no one's ever done it at home. And I was fed up with getting in my car, going to the local convenience store. I thought it's got to be an easier way to do this. If I've got some friends over or I've got a barbecue going, big games on, I want to do this conveniently. I want to do it at home.
Love it.
And that's why we invented this machine.
And this is called the Ice Explosion?
Ice Explosion machine, yes. And it's an explosion of ice and refreshment.
And so you have CO2 in here. Like,
Correct.
how does it actually work?
Yeah. I mean, basically, it just takes drinking water. It takes a syrup capsule for the flavour, the drink type. We do sugar-free varieties, which is important these days. And our drinks are made in as little as 2 to 4 minutes.
When is this model expected to be available? What are we talking about, pricing and things like that?
Okay, so we're expecting to be in the market before the summer this year. And from a pricing point of view, our target price point is $700 for the machine and $1 for the syrup capsule. Are you ready to
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's
go.
Okay.
All right.
And what flavor is this?
This is sugar-free blue raspberry.
Oh, that's great.
You like that?
Whoa. Okay, here we go. Here it goes. Wow. Okay, this is so exciting. Cheers to innovation.
Cheers, because innovators
Show up.
Let's try it.
This is so good.
This tastes exactly like we expected it to taste, right? That's a good thing.
Thank you so much. Where can people find more information about Iceplosion?
Well, you can go to iceplosion.com and see our website there, or follow us on Instagram under Iceplosion.
Awesome, we will.
Let's cheers again.
Here we go.
Iceplosion.
So good.
Iceplosion.
Thank you. Now, as a content creator, I love trying to find new ways to create content, and obviously as someone who likes to watch content, finding new ways to make fun content engaging. So I'm here at OpsiClear with Ihi, and you've got something here that's really, really awesome. So can you walk me through what everything is here?
So we are fully vertically integrated digital twin production service provider, and we are basically trying to create the 3D or you call it 4D videos that can be played on the browser. It's a new type of video called 4D Gaussian splatting, and what can be done is you not only get a video, but you also get a 4D interactive scene. You can explore like a game. From data acquisition, if you look at the rig here, it's a small version of our acquisition system. This can be scaled to any size you want to capture entire scene. It's portable, it can be deployed in the field. So our primary target market is surgical training and pathology training and tissue acquisition, but I think this also have a lot of potential for other applications in the future.
So over here, this is the actual rig. So walk me through. Now you would mount the cameras here, and your product or the people or whatever is inside of this, correct?
If you want to do a hand capture of detail, like fine hand movement, this would be perfect for that.
I mean, coming soon to a YouTube channel near you, mine. Yeah, I love this. This is so cool. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Yes, I appreciate it. Thank you. We are here at Hover Air, and I am joined with Ken. I am such a huge fan of you guys, and I am so excited to be chatting with you because you've got a bunch of new things this year.
You know, like we've brought this year the Hover Air Pro Max, which is self-flying camera, as well as the first waterproof self-flying camera. So this is how it works. In one click, it takes off from my palm and recognizes my face, and it follows me automatically. So if I go down, it comes down. If I stand, it comes up. So, you know, it turns in different directions. And once I'm done, I put my hands underneath it.
Oh, this is cool. This is
lands
high-tech.
on my palm.
Hover
So
Air.
this is our Hover Air Pro Max. And then additionally, this is originally used for mountain sports. Now we're extending this to the water sports. So this is the world first 100% waterproof self-on camera. It does exactly the same, but it does not take off from my palm, but actually take off from the water. And then follows me while I'm doing, surfings or, kayakings, and then it lands back to the water. This is a completely sealed design so that it's actually resistant from any water.
So now you were mentioning that this is going to be taking off from the land just because we're inside and for demo purposes.
Yes, it can use both on the land and in the water. So we'll take off from the land now and then lands back to the water and see how it works.
Oh, okay, cool. So if I was in the water, is there a gesture that you have to do to have it lock onto you?
No, it actually uses the camera to recognize your face and then lock onto your whole body.
Wow,
so
okay, awesome.
Anything. Yeah.
All right, let's try it out.
In the water! Yo, look at the water rippling from the motors.
Okay, that's awesome.
In the water, if it's like upside down, it can flip itself.
It needs to be able to go.
Automatically.
Okay, so now.
Oh, cool. Oh, that's cool. That's cool.
So you're saying it locks onto your face. How does it differentiate me between another person that's in the water?
So the first person it sees when it takes off is the person that you will follow.
Okay, so but then if you're wearing this, will it then lock onto that instead?
Yes.
Okay.
No. Yeah. So these two, like computer vision and this one, works together to make sure that you're fully followed.
That's amazing. This is so much fun. So now, how much is this? When is it coming out? Is it already available? How can we get it?
Yeah, so this is around like $1,000, and then with like different accessories, it's a little bit more. But yeah, so we're on Indiegogo, so we're actually crowdfunding, and then we're about to ship
Indiegogo
fairly soon.
Amazing. Okay, thank you so much. This is so cool. So good to see you. Yes, thank you.
My pleasure.
What's up, everybody? We are here at Dolby Live at Park MGM. Justin and I have been going all around CES, and we're joined by the Senior VP of Entertainment, John Cooling. This is going to be something special, great experience. Thanks for joining us.
Oh, well, thank you for coming and taking some time here at what we're doing at CES.
Now, Brian has actually been to a show here, and I have not. So what is that whole experience like, and what are you guys showing here at CES?
So Dolby Live is the only place you can get in the world to hear Dolby Atmos music in a live environment. And then what we're doing is we want to make that experience not just in one place, but we want to make that for everyone around the world. So the car you drive, we want to put it in the phone in your pocket, in your TV, everywhere that we can.
And I remember, even just as recent as a few years ago, you could really only get a Dolby Atmos experience at home. You had to have proper hardware, the right speaker configuration. But what you're talking about, right, making it and bringing this technology everywhere you can possibly get it out there.
Our goal is to make it available to everyone who makes content, every artist, every producer, but also make it available to every consumer. It doesn't matter what equipment you have, what budget you have. We want to create a Dolby experience for you.
Yeah, it's such an experience. I can't wait to try it. I have tried it in the cars before, but you have a whole lineup here. So how does this kind of integrate with all of the vehicles with Dolby Atmos?
We're in over 35 different car brands now. Each of those brands really cares about entertainment just like we do. And of course, their customers do too, the drivers and the passengers in those cars. And whether they're listening to the latest pop or a classical music or an audio book, driving their kids to school, we're giving them these amazing experiences together with these partners. And this is just some examples of some of the vehicles that you can get today with Dolby Atmos inside.
So, he's talking about experiences, but John, we want to actually experience this. So should we, get a little, check it out in one of the cars?
Absolutely. Let's go in a car.
Let's do that.
Imagine being able to build an app with your name on it, just by thinking about it. Meet Base 44, a complete
All right, so we are now inside the all-new electric GLC from Mercedes. Very supple, very nice,
so
right?
nice, fancy.
So we're gonna experience Dolby Atmos for the first time in this car. Are you ready, Justine?
I'm so ready. I'm also scared.
Okay, let's just see what happens. Okay.
Cool. And
Okay.
Whoa.
Wow, yes.
Whoa. Okay, I mean, you don't even need to come to the theater. You just sit in the car. We just had a concert experience.
You heard the specific sounds move around the car.
Very comfy.
Really clear detail.
Seating's probably nice.
Yeah.
Loved it. Good experience?
Oh my gosh, so great.
Seats.
Love it.
So it's hard for us to explain. You all have to actually experience it, right?
Experience is everything.
Now, one of the key things with CES, they're always talking about collaborations and partnerships. So obviously you've partnered with a lot of really great car companies. Are there any other partnerships that you guys are announcing here at CES?
So we're showing a new technology, Dolby Vision 2, here at CES. We're talking about 3 different television partners, Hisense, TCL, TPV, all of which are bringing Dolby Vision 2 products to market. And then also content partners who are committed to bringing Dolby Vision 2 content as well. We talked about Canal Plus Rifa, and here we're talking about Peacock.
You talk about Dolby Vision 2 for our audience. Maybe what can they expect and what is different about it?
So what Dolby Vision 2 does is it brings the very best of picture quality to all types of devices, particularly televisions. And we want to bring, as I say, those experiences to everybody. So whether it's your television at a cheaper price, or we want to bring Dolby Atmos to your living room. We're showing here Dolby Atmos Flex Connect, and we're showing that with LG Sound Suite is a new announcement here, as well as other partners. And what LG has done is create this stable of different types of speakers, and you can mix and match. And so you can build what's right for your home. Simple soundbar, add more if you've got more space, or whatever your budget allows.
Well, it looks like we're going to have some upgrades.
Yeah, I would like to get our hands on things, so I'm sure we're going to play around with more of these things. So thank you so much, John.
Absolute pleasure.
All right, concert situation here. We got you here, captive audience.
Yes, and I've got some concert requests.
Me
See
too.
if you can make it happen.
We'll see what we can do.
All right.
You heard it here. It's on tape. Okay.
It's on
It's
tape.
not really tape.
It's a hard drive.
It's SSD. It's not a hard drive anymore either.
Okay. On
It's okay.
SSD.
Yeah.
That's cool. Some more stuff.
There's so much innovation happening at CES, and we are here at Texas Instruments. Now, I recently got a chance to go check out their new fab in Sherman, Texas, and I'm here with Mark to tell us a little bit more about what TI actually does.
So at Texas Instruments, what we're trying to do is basically enhance the way that people live, move, and work. And what you'll really see is that semiconductors, as you saw at Sherman, are really the silent enablers of every single technology that we see, whether it's AI, whether it's robotics, or industrial energy storage, or even automotive. So we're going to see everything about automotive, the way that we move, data center, and how we compute. And we're going to see a lot about robotics and how we're actually enabling actuation and computing.
I'm so excited. Okay, thank you so much. I'll see you later. I'm going to go start checking this out. So now we are living. So we're here in this smart home. So what are you guys showcasing here?
Yeah, this year we have TI's newest products, some of our newest connected Wi-Fi products, radar for the home, really adding sensing, security, and affordability in new living spaces.
So now, Texas Instruments, I mean, for people who don't know, what actually do you guys do?
Yeah, so we make over 80,000 semiconductor products going to more than 100,000 customers. So we're connecting the world, we're adding intelligence to the world, we're making the world more livable.
Okay.
So all of these things that you're showing here, these are in devices, some that we already have, some that'll be out in the future.
Absolutely. Yeah, you can think about any electronic products on the shelf, probably has TI parts in it. We're adding power, we're adding smarts, we're adding connectivity.
That's so cool. Thank you.
Thank you.
Cool. Cool C-Series.
So we lived, and now we're moving. So what's TI doing in the mobility space?
So in mobility, we're really enhancing and innovating on how we sense information around the car, enabling autonomous driving. Also how we share information around the car and optimizing cost and cabling, wire harness, and even power distribution in the car. So really reducing costs and enabling new features for consumers to really get the most out of their vehicle.
So I mean, for people who might not be familiar, like what kind of features are you talking about?
So really more adaptive driving capabilities, right? So truly being able to take their hands off the wheel and not have to actually drive, being able to take advantage of that throughout the city, being able to enjoy your commute, maybe make it a little bit easier, and also enabling more comfort and convenience in the vehicle as well by enhancing how much power we can deliver and support in these different systems.
So what are you guys showcasing here? Like what's happening?
So here we're really
looks so cool.
Yeah, we're really showcasing the next gen architecture by centralizing software that allows, again, consumers to get the best experience out of their car and the vehicle. So updating the user interface of the car, updating, again, capabilities of the car in terms of driving, even battery health and life. And we're also showcasing next generation power distribution with 48 volts. So actually being able to, again, supply more power for more features in the vehicle.
Awesome, thank you. So we've moved on to the last segment here, work. So can you talk a little bit about what you guys are doing in this segment?
Sure, so we're working with humanoid robots. A lot of different humanoids are being developed right now. And there's 3 different type of technologies that we're actually highlighting here today. So we have depth perception for millimeter wave type technologies. As we know, humanoids run on batteries, so high precision, high performance battery management systems are critical for long runtime, and also precision encoders for precise movements. And really, this all relates back to safety and how the humanoid interacts with humans and also in a manufacturing facility. Humanoids are going to be quite heavy and strong, so they need to be safely worked on and functional in different environments, essentially.
That was definitely a thing here at CES, is seeing so many humanoid robots. So how do you see this kind of fitting in? So you guys will basically create these chips and then manufacturers will then purchase them to use in their humanoids?
Right, exactly. So we'll make a variety of chips that will go into humanoids, but we'll also make reference designs, and some of them are on the wall here today that you can actually find on TI.com and use in your own robotics for quick designs, and it really speeds up your development process as well.
That's really cool. Thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem.
Innovation and connection doesn't just happen on the CES show floor. They also happen in these meeting rooms, which are open to CES attendees. I had so much fun checking out all of the stuff that TI has, and you guys can check it out too. See ya.
Cool. That's cool. Some cool stuff at CES. I think my favorite thing. Honestly, this was cool. The all the appliances they had was sick. This right here, the air fryer ish, and the brewer. I don't even know what you call it. The mug. The mug was cool. And then the fryer. This was cool too. Hover air was sick. Nice.